It's not always that you get an opportunity to hit the iron when it's hot. I believe hitting it so hard that it gets hot. This philosophy was given to us by the Indian steel magnate, a wealthy Indian business tycoon, the chairman and CEO of the world's largest steel making company, Arcelor Mittal. Yes, I'm talking about the luminary who has attained eminent fame in the world for turning the 6 steel companies into profit-making ventures. The Steel King, LAKSHMI Mittal. He is recipient of numerous awards like Forbes Lifetime Achievement Award in 2008, European Businessman of the Year in 2004, and is honored as accomplished philanthropist as well. Let's look at some of the finest lessons that he gave to the world about how to go about turning up the SICK unit. Number 1, taking bold decisions. He urges evolving entrepreneurs to take decisions that are transformative and which will succeed in the long run as choices that you take differs from others. 2, proving your critics wrong. He advises the startup to learn from their mistakes by actually taking critics in a positive sense so that you can turn the tables around. Number 3, do things differently. He encourages everyone to do things differently from others for a stability, growth, survival and diversification which will avoid monotonous pattern in the business. LAKSHMI Mittal is a live example of how you can actually leverage on the problem rather than crying for it. Have you learned this lesson from his life? Question yourself.